Hello, today we're going to learn how to make a pattern for these cute boots I made. They have Sherpa in the inside and fleece on the outside, and then I added some cute little buttons on them. These obviously aren't a pair, it's just showing you the different varieties that I did. I am a woman's size 6, but for this specific pattern, doesn't really matter what size shoe you are because it's going to be tailored to your shoe. Alright, so all I did is I traced my foot. You can see. Just went right around it real tight because of course when you actually sew it, you are going to allow for extra little stretch. And plus Sherpa is very stretchy and fleece is also very stretchy. So, went around my foot, and this pattern is super easy. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so then what I did is I kind of lined it up. You can't see, let me just get it in the camera here. I lined it up to see like the length of it. And then all I did is made a shape of like a boot. So I just started in the corner. And remember, when you put on a boot, you want that stretch. So you probably want to go to the middle of your foot. So that would be about the middle of my foot. And then up. And then I just added extra because when you sew it, you can kind of gauge it and then adjust your pattern. Again, this kind of looks kind of small, but you don't want that big fluff in your slipper. Plus you're going to have two sides. So you want to, like this one's real nice and fitted to me. So, alright. Be sure to like my video and stay tuned for how to actually sew these together. Super easy, super fun project. Fun for the whole family. Thank you.